Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Project. In this video, I am show you how to link one web page to another web page. I also show you how to open new web page in the same tab or in a different tab. You will also learn what is the difference between self-target and target blank. And one more thing, what is the difference between link and hyperlink. Now first take a look what we are going to make. You can see I have 4 web pages on my desktop, 2 related to each other and 2 other related to each other. I open the first web page, and when I click on the link, it redirected me to my second web page and vice versa. But one thing, when I open my new web page by click on the link, it opened the web page in the same tab, not in different tab. Now close this, and now I open my third web page. Third and fourth are related to each other. In this you can see, when I click on the link, it open a new web page in a new tab. It every time open a new tab. So watch this video till end to get the all basic information about the link in HTML. So let's start. You can use any editor. I use Visual Studio Code. Now open it and create a new file by Ctrl+N. Save it with any name with .html extension. You can apply this method in any kind of project. I first make a simple project, so take a HTML tag, then head tag. Now take a title tag and give any title to your web page. The thing which you write in title is appear on the top of the browser. Now take body tag and declare a heading h1 and write anything in heading. I write this is your first page. Now for linking, come outside the body and take a anchor tag. In anchor tag, write anything which you want to make a link. In HTML, when you write anything between the anchor tag, it automatically get an underline and also convert in blue color, which show this is a link. In the anchor tag, type href equal then double quotes and leave it blank for now. Now copy the same code and create a new file by Ctrl+N and save it with different name with .html extension. Now paste the same code here. Just change the title first 2 seconds and also make the same change in body and anchor tag also. Now for linking of web pages, just type the file name or web page name on which you want to go when somebody click on your link in the href. Now save it and check it by running. And you can see it worked perfectly, but it open a new web page in a same tab. This is known as target self. By default, our browser is set to be target self, which open the new web page in the same tab. But if you want to open a new page in a different tab, then go to editor again and go in anchor tag. Just type target equal underscore blank in double quotes after the href tag. I do the same thing in second web page also. Now save it again and check it. And now you can see it open a new tab every time when I click on the link. This is known as target blank. Now I tell you what is the difference between in link and hyperlink. In short, we can say the all thing which is done in the video is hyperlink. When you open your web page with the help of your link, then it is known as hyperlink. But in href tag, if you copy any other website link like Google, Facebook or any other website, then it is known as link. I hope you understand everything. So thanks guys for watching this video, and please like the video and subscribe my channel for latest update, and also visit my playlist to watch the same type of project. Thank you.